In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Trello board, whether you're wrapping up a project or simply clearing out boards you no longer need. Stepping away from a Trello board is a simple process that we'll walk through together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and enter your login credentials. If you're already signed in, that's great, we'll get started right away. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board you want to exit. If you have several boards, make sure to select the correct one to avoid any mistakes. This is the place where all your cards and lists live, and it's easy to spot on your dashboard. When you have the board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a series of icons, including 3 horizontal dots. This is your go-to for board settings and options. Click on these 3 dots, and a menu will unfold with various choices. Within this menu, you'll need to look for the option labeled Leave Board. It might be tempting to click quickly, but take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct option. This step is crucial because once you leave, you'll need to be re-invited to rejoin, so take a moment to double check before proceeding. After selecting Leave Board, Trello will prompt you with a confirmation message. It's essentially asking you to verify that you indeed want to leave the board. This is an important step to prevent accidental departures. Confirm by selecting the appropriate action in the prompt. Remember, once you've confirmed, you won't have access to the board without being added back, so be certain about your choice. Once you've confirmed your decision, voila. You're no longer a member of that particular board. This means that it will no longer appear in your list of boards, and you won't receive updates or notifications from it. If at any point you change your mind and need to rejoin, you'll need to be invited back by a current board member. And that's all there is to it. Leaving a Trello board is a straightforward process, yet it's crucial for organizing your workspace and focusing on the projects that truly matter to you. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our guides if you're looking to streamline your Trello experience further.